so much to learn about. It'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Oh, hey! It's me, Blippi. I have all of my camping gear because today you and I are going camping. Whoa, I love the outdoors. Oh, it's so beautiful. There's so many plants and stumps and trees. Whoa, look at this. An insect. That looks like a caterpillar. Whoa, hello, caterpillar. All right, we should probably keep going so we can get to our campsite before dark. Oh, hey, look at this beautiful plant. See this? This is a fern. Wow, look at it. It's the color green. Hey, here's a tree back here. Oh, excuse me, fern. Look, right here. This is a tree. Yeah, you know what a tree is. There's some bark on it and also some moss. Look how tall the tree is. It's a lot taller than me, huh? All right, let's see what else we can find here. Wow. Hey, look, another insect. Hello, that looks like a dragonfly. Hello, dragonfly. How are you doing today? Okay, let's continue on. Oh, look, a spider. Hey, spider, are you having a good day? Here, I'm gonna move you right over here so then I don't step on you. All right, here we go. Oh, wait a second. We have some more insects. What kind of insects are these? These are praying mantises. Wow, they are so cool. Look, this is what they look like. Hello, I'm a praying mantis. Hi. Okay. Whew. I think we're almost there. I'm getting a little tired. Whoa! Check it out. This looks like the perfect campsite. Wow. All right, let's go over here and then take off all of our equipment. There we go. There we go. Oh, I think I need some water. All right, I'm just unpacking all of my camping gear. Yeah. Oh, can't forget the marshmallows. Yeah, this is for the s'mores later. Ooh, and the graham crackers. Ooh, and the chocolate. Have you ever had a s'more before? S'more before. That rhymes. That's silly. Ooh, and my s'more roaster. Ooh, and my coloring book. So then I can color in the tent later. This is gonna be fun. All right, what else do we have here? Well, we have our water right here. You definitely need to bring water. Yeah, so then you can hydrate. Yum, I love water. Ooh, I have my orange sleeping bag. This is gonna be so cozy. Ooh, and a blue chair. I'm gonna set this up later next to the fire so then I can enjoy watching the fire. And so I can roast my s'mores. Okay, all right. We have a pair of binoculars. Whoa, look at them. This is so then you can see things from far away, like birds. Whoa, there's one right there. Hello, birdie. Hello. All right, set those down right here. Ooh, and a lantern. Check this out. Whoa, it's a really bright light, so then at night you can see when it gets dark. And a giant 1 gallon thing of water. So then when I'm ready to go to bed, I can put it on the fire. So then we don't start any forest fires. That would be really bad. Oh, yep, my camping stick. Yep, you saw that later. helps me with my balance while I'm walking through the trails. And last but not least, my tent. Yeah, it's like your house, but when you're in the wilderness, yeah, you need a place to sleep, right? Yeah. All right, let's open it up. I think I should pitch the tent. All right, here we go. It's like a puzzle. Whoa! This goes from one end to the other. And then I have another one of these. Now for the fun part. You raise the tent. Are you ready? How does it look? Looks really good, huh? Ta-da! Now we can sleep inside. Whoa! I forgot to take off my shoes. Yeah, you take off your shoes before you get in the tent, so then you don't track in any dirt. All right, let's zip it up. Wow. This is so much fun. Okay, coloring book I'll put right here. First, I need to take out my sleeping bag. Yeah, my orange sleeping bag. Whoa. 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 Okay, put that right over there. And then, here we go. Wow. The sleeping bags are really comfortable. Yeah, they keep you nice and warm at night if it's really cold. Okay, here we go. We'll get inside. Whoa! Whoa! See? I'll stay nice and warm tonight. Okay. Oh. Hey, I have something fun to do. I think we could color. I have some coloring crayons right here. Yeah, I love coloring when I go camping because coloring is something fun that you can do because it's creative. It's really great. Have you ever colored? Yeah, what about drew something original? Because you can color this tree. Yeah, look, Blippi, welcome to my tree house. Oh, there we go. Yeah, you can color something that's already there, or you can find a blank page, and then you can draw something original, like blue, 1, 2 circles, and a smiley face with a tongue. Okay, well, what are we doing in here? We're camping. There's so much fun things to do outside. I think we should go outside and play some hide and seek. What do you say? I love playing hide and seek. Okay, to play hide and seek, one of us needs to hide and one of us needs to seek. Yeah. Okay, I'll hide and you seek, all right? So, all right, ready? Let's count to 5 and close your eyes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello? Do you see me? Do you see me? Yeah! Hey! I'm right here! Whoa! Good job! That was so much fun. Oh, this campfire is so nice. Well, anytime there's a campfire, you need to be very safe. Yeah, I made this campfire, and I'm actually a grown-up if you didn't know. Children should never make their own campfire. And if there is a campfire, you should always have a grown-up around you. If they're not there, you should tell someone, "Hey, grown-ups, someone should come near the campfire." And hey, speaking of near the campfire, remember earlier I had this gallon of water? Yeah, it's about 3.8 liters. Yeah, you want to make sure you have water near a campfire. Just in case if it gets out of control, you can pour some water on the fire, yeah, and put it out. But it's actually in a controlled environment. See this fire pit that I made it in? Yeah, it's not gonna catch anything on fire. And that's another thing. You wanna make sure there's no branches or leaves or anything above it or around it. Yeah. So now that we have a safe campfire, I think it's a perfect time to make some s'mores. Have you ever had a s'more before? They're so yummy. After a good healthy dinner, you can have a s'more. Here, check it out. So, we got some graham crackers. Yeah, and this is a rectangle, but you split it in half. And now you have 2 squares. Yum! Okay, and then you also have a cylinder. Yeah, that is a cylinder. See that shape? But that's not what it's called. This is a marshmallow, and they're so yummy. Okay, I'll put that right there for now. Okay, actually, you know what? I should probably be a little bit more organized with this round white plate. All right, then see this yummy chocolate? All right, that's the third and final ingredient of s'mores. I love chocolate. Yeah, and there's actually small rectangles. Do you see them? Yeah, small rectangles. And it actually makes a bigger rectangle when they're all connected. All right, the first thing you need to do is put your marshmallow, on your stick. So then you do not hold it next to the fire. That would be really bad. You want to stay a safe distance away from the fire. Yeah, perfect. Wow. And then we're cooking the marshmallow. Whoa, it's turning golden. Whoa, it's almost done. Whoa, that is looking so great. Do you see that? Whoa, perfect. This is gonna be so yummy. All right, let's put it right on top of the chocolate, which the chocolate is on the graham, and then the mallow, and then another graham. Slide it out. Oh, perfect. Do you see that? I call this yummy, yummy, yummy s'more dessert. Num num num. Ready? Mmm. 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 Yum. I think this is the perfect time for the camping song.
Here it is, the perfect place to pitch our tent, beneath the stars in the mighty wilderness. We'll start a fire, make some s'mores, and sing some songs. Hey, I know one, it's the camping song. Let's go camping, it's so much fun. We'll learn so many things like how to fish and hunt. Let's go camping and get some sun. Let's go camping 'cause it's so much fun. We'll go hiking and see all of nature's sights. We'll see some animals and bugs of every kind. Then we'll sit around the fire telling stories one by one. That's why camping is so much fun. Sing along! Let's go camping, it's so much fun. We'll learn so many things like how to fish and hunt. Let's go camping and get some sun. Let's go camping 'cause it's so much fun. We can go canoeing down the river stream. Row, row your boat. We can watch the birds fly above the trees. So much fun we can have throughout the day. But don't forget your mosquito spray. Let's go camping, it's so much fun. We'll learn so many things like how to fish and hunt. Let's go camping and get some sun. Let's go camping 'cause it's so much fun. Everybody sing! Let's go camping, it's so much fun. We'll learn so many things like how to fish and hunt. Let's go camping and get some sun. Let's go camping 'cause it's so much fun.
S'mores are so yummy, and camping is so much fun! Did you have a good day with me today? Yeah! Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job! Alright, I should probably put out the fire right now. Yeah, here we go!
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!